Peace and love, everyone. This was not my ideal to shoot a video today. I was just gonna go in and do a live chat. However, after two attempts, yeah, the buffering because everybody's on the internet these days, and especially everybody in this building and in this neighborhood, everybody's on the internet. So I've been noticing that a lot of channels that's been going live or whatever, it's been buffering. So I do apologize for that. I really was just coming on today and doing a live to give an update of how our lives are, what's been going on, what I'm doing different. First of all, it's 16 years and 6 months since I've been growing my Natty dreads. Yeah, so I guess that's something to celebrate. Why not? Nothing has changed as far as my routine, as far as my hair care. Still, every 2 weeks doing my water rinsing and stuff like that. Health wise, let's see. I feel pretty good just dealing with some minor female issues that we go through. The monsters inside of me, you know, like a teenager. But all is well. All is well. Yesterday, Isis turned 13. So it was fun to be able to do like a nice little get a lot of people to come in and do a video for her and put it together in a video format with everybody wishing her a happy birthday with all our family and friends, and some of you all being far away from us and stuff, and us not being able to interact and really do anything. I compiled a mini video for Isis, and it turned out great. She was happy. Everybody that participated in it, thank you so much for helping me with that endeavor. Took me a whole day to just get everything together. I don't know why. I don't know. Sorry about the watermark on it too for those who received it. Those who received it were those that were in it. So we celebrated Isis' 13th birthday. I'm celebrating 16 months and 16 years and 6 months on my dreadlock journey. Other than that, just staying healthy, dancing, keeping my spirit alive, trying to connect with other, vibrant spirits, other people who are, on a high frequency, such as myself, because right now I don't need anyone to bring me down, and neither do you. Choose to watch things that make you laugh or choose to watch things that make you happy. Don't inundate yourself with a whole bunch of things that, may cause you to have anxiety, may cause you to freak out, may cause you to, go there. It's okay to be in the know about what's going on, and definitely, not be ignorant as to whatever is being put out here. But don't sit back and just, don't go through the years. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Don't go through the years of fear that I went through. You don't have to go through the fear that I went through, which I don't even know where my fear stemmed from and why I had panic attacks. But I don't want you all to have to deal with that type of anxiety or panic attacks or so just find something positive to do. That's one of the things I've been doing is sprouting. Sprouting has been amazing. Sprouting these lentils, sprouting wheat berries, stuff like that. Stuff I've been talking about. I knew there was a reason why in the past year that I really just had a serious, besides my own health, a serious desire to share with you all things about nutrition and stuff. And I still want to continue to do it. But now, while during this time, it's really important, like they say, to keep your immune system up, because yes, now it's very close and closer than close to me. My nephews, their grandmother, she's in the hospital. They said that she tested positive for the coronavirus. She had to be resuscitated, and they said that if they had to resuscitate her again, that they would not. So, and of course my nephew is a nurse, and my sister's a nurse in Texas, at a Texas prison, and my nephew's in New York right now. So I've just been keeping in touch with them. I've been doing a lot of work for my nephew, taking care of my family, eating healthy. But yeah, I'm so glad that I started talking about nutrition and stuff, and we did a detox together, and we've done green smoothie challenge, not really challenges, but we did our little green smoothie thing together last year for those that participated. Because a lot of that, I mean, the main thing is, staying healthy, period. No matter what. I mean, even if none of this was going on or whatever, still the main thing is staying healthy. In a few months I'll be 50, and I pray that everything that's going on is not going on, because how they gonna mess up my 50th birthday? That's not cool. That's really not cool. They messed up my daughter's 13th birthday. I know that I'm being unselfish right now. Yeah, I'm being selfish right now. I am. I really am. But I mean, that's just how I feel. Yeah, I want to do more for my daughter, but she's cool. And I definitely want to do a whole lot for myself when I turn 50 in June. Trust me, you all know. If you've been rocking with me for a while, I celebrate the entire month of June. So I hope we're not still in the house in June. Other than that, yeah, I've been working on. I told you all I was doing like jewelry. I'm still working on that. Um, but there's no need to rush really, because nobody's really, trying to buy a lot of stuff that's not a necessity or so, and trying to set up a new Etsy store. I could sell on eBay or whatever, but the same thing. I feel the same way. I don't feel like being bothered with people at the post office. I hate going to the post office. So only when I have, like, everything totally together will I go ahead and deal with that. Otherwise, I'm so grateful to you all. I've had so many live consultations, and I wasn't expecting that. That was something that I said that I was going to offer for people for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and an hour, however much time you needed for consultation. Definitely dealing with your freeform Nazis, because a lot of you all cannot go if you are not freeform and you've been going to someone to care for your hair, or even if you just had questions about your hair, period. I'm just so glad that so many people have contacted me, and we've done actual consultations. I mean, the first person that kicked it off was one of my truck driver friends, and I was so happy to see her. And then it just was like, bam. So thank you all. I appreciate that for the consultations, because of course I can't go to my studio and do my main thing, which is designing candles and stuff, or going or have a place to go and sell them right now. You know, and besides, I just prefer to be at home with my daughter. Be at home with my daughter and my son over here. He's sitting in the chair knocked out. But that's it. Still definitely just drinking all of my water. Hopefully you all are doing the same. Eating very healthy. Same thing. Nothing has changed in that department. Detox a little bit more. For another week. I've been on another detox. But that's it. I mean, yeah, I was going to do a very short live chat, but I wanted input from you all too. So what you can do is, in the comment section, just leave comments and let me know what you've been doing differently. Have you picked up a book? Are you reading something interesting? Do you have audio books? What are you doing while, we're all in the house together? We're not that far apart. We're together in spirit. So what else have you been doing? Have you picked up a new thing that you're doing that you hadn't done before? Are you crocheting? What are you doing? Hopefully something creative. Hopefully something that, I always think of doing things that in the future, of course it's creativity first, but in the future, is this something I could sell? I always thought like that. I've always been a thinker like that. My mind immediately goes from, okay, this is creative and this is fun. What's the next level? How do I level up on this? What's the next level? And of course, we want to make money for our goods. I'm an artist. I'm a creative person, so why not? So if you've been doing anything different, like I said, the sprouting, that has been wonderful. That's a game changer. I think the lentils are going to be gone before my birthday because I'm on my second batch that I prepared, and I am loving them and all my salads and stuff. Fully stocked on everything, feeling fine. The good thing is that, yeah, not a lot of people outside. So when I do have to go outside, which is daily in the morning to give my dog a walk, as well as to pick up food, But other than, I mean, people when they see you, they cross over. I know I cross over to the other side. They cross over to the other side, whatever. So, and it really hasn't been that many people. So, yeah, that's it, you all. I just wanted to come in and say hi, let you all know that I love you. Empress Yapa. Definitely, I hope that you get some business from what I posted. Oh, and you all, I posted the April of the month, the Regal Bracket Emperor of the month. Read his story. He's young. He's 25. He's beautiful, and yeah, he has a pretty good story. So if you get a chance, check out the tag. I keep forgetting what's the name of the section. Anyway, you should have, if you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit that bell and be notified of all communications. But it's community post. I just posted his information on the community post. So check that out. Will I be doing anything later? No, I probably will try to prepare a real video tomorrow, something that is of one thing, of some substance, more than this. But that's it. I just want to check in with you all. Please leave me a message. Please comment. Leave me a message. Let me know what you're doing. Say what you're grateful for. That was one of the posts I put up the other day. Not a lot of people seem to have gratitude or just didn't have time to post, what they were grateful for. And that's fine. I know that everybody's busy. But if you get a chance today, just send down in the comments, just what are you grateful for? Real simple. All right. So I'm going to end this chat by myself. That was supposed to be a live chat. I'm going to go ahead and end this and let you all know that I'm thinking about you, that I love you all, and I appreciate you for rocking with me for all this time that you've been rocking with me. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming in. Please make yourself at home. Watch some of the older videos. Please feel free to share my videos. Also, I'm on Instagram and I'm on all different types of social media. Make sure you check that stuff out in the description box. Okay, connect with me on Instagram. I show a lot of pictures of myself on Instagram that you, of course, can get full body or whatever on here because I'm doing this from my laptop. But I share like a lot of things on Instagram that you can't necessarily see in my videos. Connect with me on Facebook. You can connect with me there, see what's going on in my world, see if you want to do a chat about your hair. I mean, I do, of course. I'm taking donations for that. I'm not doing that for free, so I'm accepting donations for that. So if you have an interest for that, just contact me via Messenger or send me an email. The email address is in the description box. Thank you to those that have already done so, that have already had their consultations or so. But if you need any type of consulting, let me know. Also, I mean, I've lost over 90 pounds in the past year. If you want to know more about that, I could talk about that as well. If you want to know how I was able to, or how I'm sustaining myself without medication after being on medication for 16 years from dealing with panic attacks, depression, all that type of stuff, social anxiety, and being off meds for over a year now, and dropping the weight because of being off of some of the medication. You can contact me and we could do a one-on-one video chat with no problem. So make sure you think about that. Look into it. Send me a message via email. Let me know. And we can connect on Messenger. We can connect on now. I have to link up my Skype. I wasn't putting Skype back on my computer, but I will. And we can either Skype or my iPad is not working that well, so I don't want to do anything on that, but we could do Messenger or Skype. All right, so that's the end. Peace and love, everyone. Missed you all today. Wish we could have talked, but to those that came in, Empress Deanna, Empress Yapa, it was like two other people that came in. I'm so sorry. I can't. Blessed. I forgot the end of your name, but everybody that came in, no